In this video, I will show you how to upload font in Canva. So let's jump straight into it. Now, here we are, as you can see on canva.com. So there's actually two ways you can upload a font. But before we do continue, just a note that you do need Canva Pro to do this. Unfortunately, at the time of recording, you cannot upload your own fonts with the free version of Canva. So if you do have Canva Pro, then as mentioned, there's two ways to upload your own fonts. What you can do from the home screen of Canva is come over to the left-hand side and click onto the brand icon over here. Then what you want to do is come and click onto brand kits. And if you've not created a brand kit, you can click onto set up your brand kit. As you can see, I've already created one. So what you want to do is click onto your brand kit, and after doing this, come across to this menu on the left hand side, and what you want to do is click onto fonts to be taken to your font section, and you can see there's a button here to add new. So what we can do is give that a click. As you can see on here, there's an option to upload a font, so we can click onto this and go ahead and use our file explorer to upload our font. Now, another way to upload fonts on Canva is if you're already in a project. So I've got an example on here. All you want to do is click onto the text that you want to add your own font to. Once you click onto the text, what you want to do is come up to the toolbar at the top and click onto the font box here. And what that's going to do is open up the fonts in the left-hand side. So if you come across to the fonts on the left-hand side, and at the very bottom, you're going to see the button here as well to upload a font. So again, you can just simply give this a click and use your File Explorer to go through your PC, whether it's in your downloads folder, to upload the font file. So that is how to upload font in Canva. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.